Welcome back to our channel Storm Rider. If you've ever wondered what a modern multi-role naval ship really looks like up close, how it performs, what makes it special, and why it matters, then let's step aboard the 2026 HMCS Calgary, hull number FFH 335. This upgraded Canadian frigate carries the legacy of the Halifax-class but brings a fresh, modern twist that pushes its performance, technology, and versatility to a whole new level. So buckle in, because this ship isn't just a floating piece of metal, it's a highly tuned, purpose-built system designed to handle some of the most demanding missions at sea. Let's start with the overall idea behind the HMCS Calgary. Originally part of the Halifax-class fleet that entered service in the 1990s, the ship went through significant modernization over the years, and the 2026 configuration represents the culmination of those upgrades. Its design philosophy is built around adaptability, the ability to operate effectively in coastal areas, open oceans, and everything in between. The ship isn't locked into a single mission type, it's a flexible platform that can shift roles depending on what the situation demands. Whether it's escorting other vessels, participating in international exercises, supporting humanitarian missions, or contributing to maritime security operations, the HMCS Calgary has been engineered to show up ready. Now let's talk design, because even though this ship might look sleek and familiar from a distance, almost everything about it is optimized for performance. The hull shape prioritizes stability and efficiency, allowing the ship to maintain speed even in less than ideal weather. Naval architects focused on creating a balance between durability and maneuverability, which is really important when you're working in unpredictable environments. The superstructure, the part sitting above the main deck, incorporates materials and angles designed to reduce the ship's radar signature. It's not invisible, of course, but it's definitely harder to detect than older ships in its class. This low observable design helps it survive modern threat environments, where detection often equals vulnerability. One of the most impressive features is the propulsion system. The HMCS Calgary uses a combined diesel-gas turbine setup. If you're not familiar with that, think of it like having two types of engines, each good at different tasks. The diesel engines are efficient workhorses that keep the ship cruising at normal speeds while saving fuel, making long-range missions more manageable. The gas turbine, on the other hand, delivers a burst of high power. When the ship needs to accelerate quickly or travel at higher speeds, this turbine kicks in and provides that extra push. This combination not only improves fuel consumption but also allows the ship to respond rapidly to developing situations, whether that means chasing a target, repositioning during an operation, or assisting another vessel in distress. Navigation and situational awareness are also major strengths. The 2026 HMCS Calgary is equipped with advanced radar and sensor systems designed to detect and track objects in the air and on the surface. These sensors feed information into the ship's combat management system, essentially a high-tech brain that processes tons of data at once. The crew can see threats, friendly ships, aircraft, and environmental conditions with impressive detail. What makes this especially powerful is the integration. Each system communicates with the others, creating a unified picture that's much easier for operators to understand. Instead of juggling multiple screens and isolated readings, everything comes together in one clean, coordinated interface. That boosts accuracy and helps the crew make fast, informed decisions. Now let's explore some of the equipment that helps the HMCS Calgary perform its mission set. Without diving too deep into technical specifics, the ship includes defensive and monitoring systems designed for maritime security operations. These tools support tasks like intercepting suspicious vessels, monitoring airspace, and working with allied ships during large-scale exercises. The ship also carries systems that help it operate in both low-threat and complex situations without exposing the crew to unnecessary risk. Everything is arranged in a way that blends automation, crew readiness, and safety. A feature that really sets this ship apart is its aviation capability. The HMCS Calgary includes a dedicated flight deck and hangar supporting maritime helicopters. Having an onboard helicopter massively expands the ship's operational range. It can scout farther ahead, cover more search and rescue territory, and deploy specialized sensors that extend the ship's awareness well beyond the horizon. The hangar allows the helicopter to be maintained and sheltered, which is essential during poor weather or long deployments. This integration between ship and aircraft transforms the Calgary from a single platform into a multi-layered system capable of seeing and acting far beyond what its hull alone could achieve. Let's shift to the crew experience for a moment. Ships like the HMCS Calgary aren't just machines, they're workplaces and homes for the sailors who spend months on board. The 2026 version includes improvements to living quarters, workspaces, communication tools, and onboard computing systems. These upgrades help reduce fatigue, boost efficiency, and strengthen teamwork. Modern naval operations demand a lot from crews, so anything that supports comfort and workflow becomes a performance feature in its own right. From improved climate control to better digital systems, the Calgary reflects a newer philosophy of designing ships with the human experience in mind. Another key aspect is the ship's global role. Canada participates in a wide range of international missions, from joint naval exercises to emergency response and humanitarian relief. Because of its flexibility, the HMCS Calgary can support evacuation operations, help deliver supplies, or assist in stabilizing affected coastal areas. Its communication systems allow seamless coordination with international partners, making it a valuable contributor to coalition missions. The ship is just as capable of assisting after a natural disaster as it is of supporting maritime patrol operations. This dual capability, military readiness paired with humanitarian utility, is part of what makes the Calgary such a well-rounded vessel. Finally, one of the biggest selling points of the 2026 HMCS Calgary is its balance. It doesn't specialize so narrowly that it struggles outside its comfort zone. Instead, it delivers solid performance across multiple mission types, blending reliable engineering with modern technology. It's fast enough to respond to emergencies, quiet enough for patrol work, sophisticated enough to integrate with allied forces, and durable enough for extended deployments. That combination is rare. When people look at this ship, they aren't just seeing metal, engines, and electronics, they're seeing a platform designed to serve Canada's naval needs for years to come. In the end, the HMCS Calgary FFH 335 stands as a confident example of what a modern frigate can be: versatile, efficient, technologically advanced, and ready for a wide variety of challenges. Whether it's ensuring maritime safety, supporting global missions, or strengthening international cooperation, this ship brings capability, reliability, and purpose to every operation it joins.